Welcome to this explainer. We're looking at the great workshop of the world. It's a simple, powerful story.
Think about it. What happens when you try fixing a massive problem with the totally wrong tools?
Picture a valley. The people there believed every single thing had to be perfectly round and smooth.
Like shoving a square peg in a round hole. They just filed down any rough edges to fit.
But then, a huge storm rolled in. They suddenly needed to build a strong, safe shelter, fast. Their everyday tools just failed. You can't use basic knives when you really need sharp, heavy-duty saws.
So they learned a hard lesson. A tool is only valuable if it's right for that exact moment.
To survive the storm, they realized they needed 3 totally different kinds of minds to step up.
First up was focus. This person could just stare at one wooden beam for days without getting distracted.
Focused deeply, understood how to build things, and always spoke with pure, unfiltered honesty. When things got stuck, Spark jumped in. Their brain went in 1,000 different directions at once.
Spark connected random ideas, found super creative solutions, and took fast action right away.
Finally, Watchful took charge. They were trained to spot the tiniest hidden dangers or weak spots.
Watchful's need for extreme order and cleanliness kept the whole town safe from moisture and sickness.
Working together, these unique minds built a strong shelter. It stood tough against the storm and saved everyone.
The town learned something huge. No tool is broken just because it can't peel an apple. Think about it. A power saw isn't useless just because it doesn't work like a butter knife, right?
Every single mind brings a special gift, whether it's pure honesty, fast creativity, or careful protection.
So here's the big takeaway. There are no wrong minds, just situations that misunderstand them.
Now ask yourself, are you really valuing the unique tools in your own workshop? See you next time.